Hello, ACES scholars. I'm here today to walk you through the selective service process system. Are you ready? Let's get started. A lot of you might have questions. Why are we doing this? What's the point? The reason we're doing this is because in order for you to be considered for in-county tuition fee at Montgomery College, you will have to apply for the DREAM Act. And part of the requirements, the documentation for the DREAM Act is to complete the selective service registration. Okay, just simple as that. So for starters, please click here or visit the selective service system webpage to complete the registration. Okay, I'm gonna click here directly. It's gonna take me to the registration page. All right. If you have your social security number, you may complete this application online. So you fill out all of this information, right? All of this information. Make sure your home address is accurate. All of this information. Double check, triple check, okay? It will be a pain if we have to go back here and, fix and things like that, all right? Make sure to super accurate. You fill all of this information out and you hit submit registration. You should receive a confirmation letter saying that, hey, congratulations or something like that, or you submitted this. Make sure you screenshot it, save it, take a picture, send it to yourself, so you have this, as proof that you completed this step, right? For those students who don't have a social security number, not a problem. You continue scrolling down, okay? And I want you to click the printable registration. All right, this right here. And this is the address that you're gonna send to once you complete the form. So let's click in here. Yada yada yada. Right, all the information. This is the address that you're gonna send to once you complete your registration form. So you fill all of this information out, okay? Just fill it out. Please make sure all of this information that you put in is accurate. Double check, triple check, quadruple check. Have another set of eyes to take a look at this, okay? Before you print it out, before you send it to the people, all right? Because it will be such a pain to make correction and things. So let's get it done, let's get it right the first time around, so we don't need to worry about it, right? No more. But I highly recommend that really can't stress enough that you should go to the post office and pay for the certified mail to mail this form to the selective service system. All right, again, certified mail. It's probably because you I don't know, $5 or something, even less than that. And once you pay for that certified mail, they should give you a receipt of the certified mail. Take a picture, save that receipt in your wallet, somewhere safe. Send an email to yourself so you have it secure. Just it is a proof that you completed this form, right? Remember, we need this form to complete the DREAM Act. And the reason why you complete the DREAM Act is because you want to be considered for the in-county tuition rate to go to MC. You don't want to pay too much money for it, right? So we want that for you as well. So make sure you have all of this step correctly. You should receive a selective service certificate in the mail after a few weeks once you send this form in. Once you receive that in the mail, save it somewhere safe. Take a picture again, send it to yourself, so then you have this, a proof, right? So super important. All these steps. As always, feel free to reach out to your ACES coach at your high school if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more MC onboarding process brought to you by the ACES program, or leave a like or a comment below.